Okay, I think it's clean.
Oh! You gotta press down.
Oh, she did not see that powder come out.
No, you ain't used it.
I bought it for you.
Hold on.
Hey, hey, ooh-ah. Hey, there.
Hold on. Hey, ooh-ah. Hey, hold on.
You are watching a master work.
What's good, Club Pinky, and welcome to a brand new reaction video. In this video, I'll be reacting to a video titled, I Put Chicken Powder in My Girlfriend's Blow Dryer. Hilarious. It was uploaded by the Warren Familia. If you guys are excited about seeing another reaction video from me, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join Club Pinky. And if you have joined, press that bell so you can be part of the notification squad and know whenever I post videos. So, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yo, what's good? Yo, what's poppin'?
It's the Warren Familia.
So I'm very irritated with her.
What'd she do?
Chicken grease inside of your blow dryer.
Chicken grease?
She's gonna blow dry her hair. She's gonna.
You mean chicken powder?
Chicken grease, come on. Oh no! Why would you do this? Why would you do that? I don't care. Y'all girls can say whatever y'all want. I'm childish.
You meant to
I'm
say
this,
powder,
I'm that. I don't
not
care.
grease.
I see your comments. Oh, he childish. I don't care. My real supporters know what's good. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe. Da, da, da.
Flour? He really called flour chicken powder. Wow. And he accidentally said chicken grease. What's he doing? Like touching her butt. Poor. Gah.
What a blow dry. Hold it like that. Hold it.
Oh, it's not on yet. That's the AC that's making that noise. Okay.
Why you open it?
Oh my gosh, I wonder if that can mess up the blow dryer.
Shake it up, you shake it up.
Oh, they're getting it all in the sink. That could clog the sink. They need to wipe it out and not just wash it down the sink.
Let me see.
That. Use something like a Q-tip or a tissue to wipe it. Parvon, be careful. Don't get it in your eye. Okay, I think it's clean.
Oh!
His plan backfired a little bit.
Okay, cool.
And then they're gonna wash it down the sink. Hope it doesn't clog. It's coming out the bottom. Did you see that?
Good, nice little clean up. Hey, whoa.
Hey. Okay, so hidden camera. Oh, so I guess as he just washed her hair, she's brushing her teeth right now. She doesn't use a cup to rinse? Well, I don't use a cup. I just put my mouth right under the faucet and rinse out.
Huh?
I thought you was asking.
No, that shit just burned.
What?
The toothpaste.
Come on, baby girl, do your hair. Let's go. It's time to go. You need me something to iron?
I don't know, because I'm going to take out some clothes, because I brought me some cute clothes.
You bought you some?
No, I brought me some that
Oh,
I
really?
already had. It's just, I wouldn't take advantage of it because I'm just so ungrateful. But I'm not going to take long. I'm just going to blow dry my hair
Alright, bet.
and change.
Blow dry your hair, you will. Okay. Here he comes.
What iron? You got to press down.
Oh,
first and
she
dry
did not
your
see
hair.
that powder come out.
You know, you ain't used it.
I bought it for you. What? I didn't do that. What?
I didn't do that.
It's all, oh, you're going to clean this.
What?
What with this?
You're going to clean this. Look, I'm
didn't do
gonna
it.
do it again.
Here. No, Mom, no. No. He got with John trying to have him investigate like he didn't know what happened.
Bro, look. It's so foggy in here.
So foggy.
What
It's
is
so
the pressure on
foggy.
my face? Look, I
What is
look-
that? She a mummy. Taste it.
Don't be trying to
Why would
act
you
like don't
taste
know,
it?
Josh. Y'all both probably did this. What
They
is
did. They
did.
both did it.
Itching powder? Like you
No.
gave me last
I
time?
don't even know what this is.
Why is it all in your? Why is it all?
Like I literally just made y'all food and this is how you thank me?
Oh!
Don't do that.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
That is not nice. Like I'm about to cry.
I didn't know.
And I'm not cleaning this. You're cleaning this. That's not food. My face.
I didn't.
Dog.
And it's on the mirror. Oh yeah, you gonna clean that up, Armand. You got your little video, now clean it up. Look
Dog.
at Josh.
Smoky in here. Hey.
Hey, it's
What
smoky
you
in here.
I don't want to go anywhere no more.
So you can prank me, but you can't prank. But you can't get pranked.
I made you food.
Come on. Then.
No. You can.
What does it say? Come on, Essie. No, that was wrong.
Hold on.
Good thing she didn't get in her hair.
What do you mean?
I was expecting her to take the towel off and then get it all in the hair.
What is that?
I'm not cleaning this up. I know that much.
Yes, you are. We didn't do
And
that.
I'm not going.
Yes, you
anywhere.
did.
You are. We did not do that. This your first day back. You know you got to get
I
to
was
it.
getting ready, Essie, so you can't blame this on
No,
me.
that's not right, Josh.
What's not right?
You
Same
can't,
job.
you can't be in my pranks and then help him do pranks.
Why?
Like, look at this.
Look at what?
He's on both of their. He can't be on both of their
It's just
sides.
a little creamy
It's
cream.
right on my side of the mirror. But
Oh,
not
y'all
yours.
nice, bro. Y'all thought nice.
Hey, ooh,
Yeah.
hold on. Hey,
Ooh ah. Hey.
hold on.
Hey.
Hold on.
Hey. Ooh ah. Hey.
Hey,
Hey.
hold on. Hey, ooh, hey, hold on.
Were
What?
you trying to get that in my hair? Is that what you was about to do to me?
Yes.
Good thing you protected your hair with that towel, though.
You would have had to do a lot of making up because
Why?
if it would have got in my hair and I just washed it,
What happened you do
Woo.
though? You just like.
Bro, she turned it on and it went.
For real. If you'd gotten in her hair, it would have been over.
I mean, I plugged it in and I turned it on because I always do that. I always just like test to see how hot a blow dryer is. But I didn't expect itching powder. Is that itching powder?
That's not itching powder. That's chicken powder.
I do feel itching.
It's
chicken
flour. Oh my gosh. Ooh ah.
Chicken.
They make a song out of almost every.
Try and clean this
What you
scenario.
mean? We didn't do that.
See, I'll tell you if I did.
And my face is itchy.
You know I
Do
don't
have
have
red
to
marks?
lie.
Yes, right here. Come on, man. You gotta clean it up. We didn't do that.
Boy,
Leo, I haven't lied.
No, you're a traitor.
you just lied. Both you and Armand were in on it. It's funny when he gets his eyes big,
Why
like,
not?
what?
Why can't he?
He helped me in that prank when your face was on fire.
Ah!
Is that true?
Now she's throwing him under the
Is
bus
that true?
because she's mad that he turned on her.
People?
Seriously?
No.
I break out.
No.
It's just
because you were
flour.
thinking, "Hoo-ah! Hold up. Hoo-ah! Hold up.
Okay.
Hoo-ah! Oh my God.
It's just a little dumb.
You don't play right.
This is my side of the thing now.
So y'all, we were So y'all, we welcome Essie back with a little prank. We welcome Essie back with a little prank, y'all. So I hope y'all stay.
What a welcome.
What you doing? What is you on, bro? Bro, what is you on, bro? What is you on? Chill. Let me do me. We
Let me
welcome
do
Essie
me.
back with a little.
Now he's throwing. Armand.
We welcome Essie back with a little prank, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It was an epic prank. I'm gonna be on the lookout because this woman.
Say something else.
Yeah, ah!
Oh, pussy, where you know?
See? Yeah, like it's a good.
Should I do it?
Yeah.
So see y'all later, man. Shout out to Josh. Good looking out, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all. Be safe.
Bye. Be safe. So, there you guys have it. Can't get over Armand calling the flour chicken powder. Like, I call it flour. I don't know if it's his family's thing or what, but. Watch your back, Armand. Man, their prank wars never end. Man, I'm glad I don't have siblings or relatives who like to play too much. But if you guys enjoyed this reaction video, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join Club Pinky, because if you aren't part of Club Pinky, what are you doing with your life? I have plenty of other reaction videos on my channel. They are all located in a playlist, and I'll place that playlist at the end screen of this video. And follow me on social media. Follow me on Twitter at ILUMoreThanThis. Follow me on Instagram at _Pinky Botzcowski. And add me on Snapchat, Pinky-Bots. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!